Hello, Grade 4. This is a recording for your Semester 1 revision worksheet. Please watch this video and read the text communicating coast to coast to be able to answer the questions. Question number 1. What's the genre of the text? Explain your answer. This text is an expository text. It tells information, real information and facts about the invention of the telegraph. Question number 2. The author compares and contrasts the Pony Express and telegraph to show the reader A. How technology changed over time. B. The difference in how much each cost. C. Why people prefer to use the telegraph. And D. That the telegraph was an easier way to communicate. The correct answer is part D. To show the reader that the telegraph was an easier way to communicate. Question number 3. What is the main idea of the article? This text is about how the ways of communication became faster in the US after 1850. Question number 4. What text features does this text include? This text has a map and headings. Question number 5. Explain why Morse's telegraph was a revolutionary change. Support your answer with clear text evidence from the article. Morse's telegraph was a revolutionary change because it connected the US from coast to coast so news traveled faster or at lightning speed, as mentioned in the text. This part of the worksheet is the vocabulary part. You have to guess the unfamiliar words using different vocabulary strategies. Read these sentences from the text to answer the questions. His inventive mind got right to work. Morse soon had a working model of a telegraph. If invent means to create something for the first time, what does inventive mean? Having the ability to invent, someone who invents, the act of inventing, or being invented. The correct answer is branch A, having the ability to invent. This led to the end of the Pony Express because even the fastest horses were no match for the telegraph, which meaning of match is the same one used in the sentence above. Match is a multiple meaning word. Does it mean here a narrow strip of wood used to light a fire, or a person viewed as a possible marriage partner, a thing that is equal in quality or strength, or a pair of things that appear to be alike? The correct answer is branch C, a thing that is equal in quality or strength. Those who had made fun of him were convinced. They regretted having ridiculed him. What words help you understand what ridiculed means? Those who had made fun of were convinced. They regretted. The correct answer is branch B, made fun of. Question number 7. According to the article, how did Morse convince Congress that the telegraph was a good idea? Morse convinced the Congress that the telegraph was a good idea by sending a message from a country to another, from Maryland to Washington, D.C., and it worked. Which was the fastest way to send information information from St. Louis to California during the late 1850s. Clipper ship, stagecoach, Pony Express, or covered wagon? The correct answer is branch C, Pony Express. Now it's the grammar part of the worksheet. Circle the compound word in each sentence. In 1858, stagecoaches began carrying mail. Stagecoach is a compound word. Morse overheard people discussing whether it would be possible to send messages along a wire. Overheard is the second compound word. Now rewrite the paragraphs below, correcting any run-on sentences or fragments. Venus is a planet in our solar system. It is about the same size as Earth, but it is much hotter than Earth. We remove the point because it is closer to the sun. Venus is too hot for people to live on it. There are many volcanoes there. Are also many mountains. There are many volcanoes, and there are also many mountains. I live in Florida, and my aunt Anna lives in Puerto Rico. Point. I only see her a few times every year. Point. Sometimes she visits me, and sometimes I visit her. Point. I like going to Puerto Rico. Point. It is warm, sunny, and the markets have delicious foods. Point. My favorite thing to do with Aunt Anna, I remove the dot, is to go shopping. Combine the two parts into a complete sentence using a coordinating or subordinating conjunction. Also circle the conjunction you used in your sentence. Number 1. Joseph liked chocolate ice cream. His brother hates it. Joseph likes chocolate ice cream, but his brother hates it. She receives the plants she ordered. Kyla will plant the flowers. When she receives the plants she ordered, Kyla will plant the flowers. Number 3. Will you read this article I found yesterday? Will you read this article? We remove the question. That I found yesterday. So I put that. Number 4. The students jumped from their desks. The bell rang. The students jumped from their desks because the bell rang. Or when the bell rang, the students jumped from their desks. The last part is the phonics. In the sentences below, some words with long vowels are written incorrectly. Circle these words and write the words correctly on the line. He adopted a stray cat that pretends it is in the jungle. Stray, it ends with a Y. It can even keep you up all night. Night with I-G-H-T. They want to see a doctor or other healer. Healer, H-E-A-L-E-R. The height of the place does not really matter. Height, H-E-I-G-H-T. There are many things to do in your home if you chose to help. Chose has a magic E at the end. Thank you.